This is the Physics 2024 Federal Board paper. The question 1 is, what are base quantities? Construct a table showing any 4 base quantities along with their unit and symbols. The second short question was, express 300 micromillimeter in millimeter and a kilometer. The third question, differentiate between rotatory motion and circular motion. The short question 4 is, in which of all how a helmet protect the motorcyclist? Explain in context of F is equal to change in momentum divided by time. The 5 question is, state a condition of equilibrium and also give their mathematical form. The 6th question is, a screw gauge has the smallest division on main scale 0.5 millimeter and screw gauge has 0 to 100 division, which will be the pitch of screw gauge. The question 7, calculate mass of earth by using law of gravitation. Question 8, how much energy can be obtained from 20 gram of uranium? Question 9, state Hooke's law, briefly explain the term elastic limits. Question 10, briefly explain the gravitational force of consist with Newton's third law of motion. And last question, question 11, what is meant by radiation? Enlist the factor on which radiation emits from a body. There was a choice that you want to write this question or this. These are some extra second part of the first questions. First question, second part is, how does heat transfer occur through the window and vents of a room? Second question, second part is, prove that minus 4 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 40 Fahrenheit. The third question, second part is, what changes are expected in weather if the barometer show increase in atomic pressure? Fourth question, second part is, prove that kilowatt power is equal to 3.6 mg. Calculate the value of G at the height of 200 km above the surface of Earth. Sixth question, second part is, a force is applied on a body making an angle of 30 with the x-axis. The vertical component force is 25 Newton. Find the force. The seventh question, second part is, differentiate between stable and unstable equilibrium. Eighth question, second part is, what is the outer edge of the rod keeping higher on circular track? The ninth question, second part is, differentiate between positive and negative acceleration. And then question second part is, vernier caliper or screw gauge, which instrument give more precise measurement, give scientific interpretation of your choice. Question 11, second part is, what is meant by moment of force torque, on which factor it depends? Explain briefly. This is the 2024 physics paper. First long, drive S is equal to Vf t plus 1 by 2 at square using speed and graph for uniformly accelerated body. The long question second was, what is meant by the thermal kinetic energy and the potential energy? Prove that kinetic energy is 1 by 2 mass and volume square. Long question 3 was, explain the liquid exerted pressure. Show that the liquid pressure depends on depth and the density of liquid. The fourth long question was, how much heat energy is required to change half kilogram of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius to water at 10 degrees Celsius. And these were the formulas given by the board to solve these questions. The paper was very easy. The formula was given by the board, but some of them was not correct. They were only to confuse the exam taker. Okay, this was the 2023 paper, and I hope you like it. So kindly subscribe, share this video with other